I rode into Tucson 3 hours ago for supplies and a short friendly game of poker while Smithy puts some new shoes on old Dan before he goes lame. I sat in a game at the Miners Saloon. Soon I had doubled my stake. The cards run like they'd been dealt by Lady Luck. They were just sealing my fate. A young cowboy lost more than he could afford. Accused me of dealing too smart. His draw was too slow and he fell to the floor with 3 bullets close to the heart. Oh Cottonwood tree, are you waiting for me? Waiting to take me away? I've done no wrong but the town cannot see, and so with my life I must pay. Well, ho pluckers, Ivysaur Fingers again with you with an old classic cowboy song again from Marty Robbins called Cottonwood Tree. Okay, standard tuning, but I do have a capo on the 2nd fret. Puts us into the same key that Marty Robbins recorded this song in. Okay, so the song starts off with a sort of a Spanishy style lead bit. Okay, something like this. Okay, so what I'm doing there is, this is what I hear on the record as close as I can get. I'm starting on the 5th fret from the capo on the 4th string, the D string, and I'm going 5th fret, 4th fret, 5th fret on the same string, the 4th string. Okay, then you play the 4th fret from the capo on the 3rd string, and then the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. Okay, so got that? Then I'm going up, I'm fretting like an A minor shape on the 6th and 7th fret from the capo. Okay, so what you do is the way I would suggest you play it is like that. Okay, hitting the 7th fret of the 4th string, and then a double stop of the other 2 strings that you're fretting, the 7th fret on the 3rd and string and the 6th fret of the 2nd together as a double stop. So 4th string on the 7th fret and then those 2 together. So now you've got this. It's like a little mini break when you go. It's like a bum ching, bum ching. Quite quick follow. As soon as you've hit that 4th string, you hit the other 2 as well. Okay, so then I'm playing a double stop on the 5th fret from the capo on the 3rd string and the 2nd string. You can either use 2 fingers or a single bar. That's the way I'm doing it. 3rd string and 2nd string only. Okay, so now we've got this. Then we play the 3rd fret of the 2nd string with 1st finger. 2nd finger is playing the 4th fret from the capo on the 3rd string, and we hit that double stop twice. Now we've got this. Okay, then we take this shape, move it down 2 frets. 1st fret, 2nd string, 2nd fret, 3rd string. And you can slide that if you like. Okay, down to that one, and then go back to the first double stop there on the 3rd fret of the 2nd and the 4th fret of the 3rd. So now we've got this. Okay, and finally double stop again on the 5th fret of the 3rd string and the 2nd string. 2 fingers or a single bar, 3rd string and 2nd string only, 5th fret. Okay, and that's the intro that I've come up with. Okay, so slowly the whole thing. Okay, then we go into the verse. Okay, now the whole song is like a waltz beat with a swinging bass or an alternating bass. So the first chord is a C chord, okay, and two ways you can do this. You basically hit the root note, which is the third on the fifth, 2 strums. So waltz beat, 1, 2, 3, right? And when you've done that, you change the bass note by moving. If you're doing a swinging bass, this third finger goes up to the bottom E string, plays the 3rd fret on the bottom E string, and then you strum the chord from 4 downwards, keeping the other 2 fingers where they are. Okay, it's like a waltz beat, swinging bass. Okay, so that's what you do if you're doing the swinging bass bit with that finger. I personally use a 4-fingered C. So my 3rd finger goes up to the 3rd fret on the 6th string, the bottom E string, and my pinky goes on the 3rd fret of the 5th string. Then I hit the 5th string, strum, strum, and I don't have to move anything, I just hit the 6th string. Okay, so that's what you do on, every time you hit a C chord, that's what you play, the alternating bass. Okay. On the other chords are basically an F chord and a G7. The G7 is a standard G7 chord, 1st finger, 1st fret, top E string. Okay, and for whenever you play the G7, it's the same bum ching ching bum ching ching waltzy thing. Okay, and you hit the 6th string first, 3rd fret, strum strum, and then you hit the 5th string, which is held on the 2nd fret there, okay? Then back to the 6th string, 5th string, 6th string. So every time you play a G7, that's what you play for that. The only other chord that we need to work, well, there's 2 other chords. The main other chord is the F chord. 2 ways you can do this. If you play a simple F, you can play a 4-fingered F, or you can do the swinging bass on that one as well. Play a standard F chord, 3rd fret, 4th string, that one, hit that and strum strum, then move that 3rd finger up to the 3rd fret on the 5th string, 2 more strums, swinging bass. Or you can do a 4-fingered F, so this 3rd finger goes up to the 5th string on the 3rd fret, and pinky goes to the 3rd fret, the 4th string. Then you don't have to move anything, you just hit the 4th string, strum strum, then the 5th string, strum strum, backwards and forwards. Okay, and the only other chord, I'd say the other way you probably see me play that is to play a bar chord F. When I'm playing an F, I'll probably play a bar chord. And then if you're playing a bar chord one, you just hit the 6th string first, strum strum, and then hit the 5th string, strum strum. Then back to the 6th string, then back to the 5th string. Okay, so whichever way you want to play it. Okay. And the only other chord in this song is an E minor. It's only used once in the chorus, and then that would be E minor, bottom E string, then the 5th string, but it's only in there very briefly. Okay, so when you come out of the intro, okay, so let's do the intro. And then we do the C. Okay, rode into Tucson 3 hours ago. Goes into the C to the G7. It's just one round of C. And then you're into the G7, 6th string, 5th string, okay? So, I rode into Tucson 3 hours ago, say that, supplies and a short friendly game, C game, of poker while spitting, G7, put some new shoes on, go down before he goes lame. Got it? So I'll play it very, very slowly. I rode into Tucson 3 hours ago, flies in a short friendly game. A poker was spitty, put some new shoes on old Dan before he goes lame. Now the second verse, exactly the same. Sat in a game at the Miners' Saloon, and soon I had doubled my stake. The cards run like they've been dealt by Lady Luck. They're just stealing my fate. Right, then we go into the pre-chorus, and that goes into the F chord. So don't remember what I said about the F. You can do swinging bass, or you can do a 4-fingered F, or you can do a bar chord F. Okay, well I was doing the bar chord. So come this to swinging my fate. A young cowboy lost all he could afford. That's an F to a C. Okay, so you start on the F. A young cowboy lost more than C he could afford. Then back to the F, and accused me of dealing to, back to the C. So it's F to C, F to C, okay? A young cowboy lost more than he could afford, accused me of dealing too smart. I'll try and do that slowly. In my fate, a young cowboy lost more than he could afford, and accused me of dealing too smart. Okay, then we go back to the F again. His draw was too slow, and he back to C, fell to the floor with G7, 3 bullets close to his heart. Okay, so that's a quick G there, G7. Don't forget 6th string, strum, strum, 5th string, strum, strum. Da, 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 C. Okay, so should we do the whole thing up to that point? Why not? Let's do it. I rode into Tucson 3 hours ago for supplies and a short friendly game. A poker was spitting, puts on some new shoes on old Dan before he goes lame. Sat in a game at the Miners' Saloon, soon I had doubled my stake. The cards run like they'd been dealt by Lady Luck. They were just sealing my fate. A young cowboy lost more than he could afford, and accused me of dealing too smart. His draw was too slow, and he fell to the floor with 3 bullets close to my heart. Right, so there we are. That's all the way up to the chorus now. And the chorus is basically an F. Oh, cottonwood tree, however you want to do it. Or that one. Or an F. Okay. Oh, cottonwood tree, are you? Now we go to the E minor. That one, just a single E minor. Bottom E string, strum, strum. Second on the 5th, strum, strum. So, cottonwood tree, are you waiting for me? Back to F. Waiting to take me back to C, way. Alright, back to F. Done no wrong, but this back to C. Town cannot see. And G7. So with my life I must pay. And then the song just repeats the whole thing again with different words. Okay, apart from obviously the chorus. Okay, so let's just go through this chorus again. O, it goes bullets close to my heart. F, oh cottonwood tree, E minor, waiting for me. Back to F, waiting to take me. C, way. F, I've done no wrong. C, the town cannot see. G7, so with my life I must pay. Slowly. Oh cottonwood tree, are you waiting for me? Waiting to take me away. I've done no wrong, but the town cannot see. And so with my lifetime is paid. And there you have it, boys and girls. That's the whole thing. I say it just repeats everything again with different words apart from the chorus, which is obviously the same all the way through the song. Another quite a long story. Well, hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.